Ijele kwekwa drop microphone. Hey, nke aka na-akpọ ọgụ ikpo. Mgbe pele mpe nwere ọgụ a na-akpọ ọgụ ikpo. Ogegegege. Ijele kwere drop microphone. Mana anyway, na ihe Ijele kwe maka ịma akwa onwe video post agwa m unu na ono Imo State. So na this video kunu fozia nketa obiati mbọsị nketa ata. Kodekwan.
My wonderful people, I salute you, Grand Rising. Grand Rising, my people. I greet you, my people, Grand Rising. Yeah. Reaching you all this wonderful morning of February 16, 2026. So a good make we dey give date. It make I reduce the heads of this home also. And then no good cover my So my people, I greet you, I salute you. We are welcome to a brand new day. I'm going to, okay, let me change this thing. Please, we are waiting. Hold on. Yeah. It's better like this. So my wonderful people, those of you in also, did you see any noise? Did anything happen? Like I told you last night, stop letting people use false alarms to disturb you people. I don't know where Kesh got that his rubbish information of fire in Udele Valley. Please, is there anyone in also that experienced even a small smoke? Apart from the kidnap of Marcel by these IPOB ESN criminals. Yes, they kidnapped someone else again yesterday. And also, they kidnapped someone in Osu yesterday. So that's the only noise that happened there. So disregard every other information you're hearing from people. There is nothing happening in Osu. That I can tell you for sure. Anybody that told you something happened in Osu should show you the video. Okay? They should show you the video. Let's see the video. Shebi I tell on her yesterday. From yesterday till now, did anyone see any action in Osu? The answer is no. Now I'm telling you where the action is going to happen, which is Umunoha. Like I told you people, we are entering Umunoha. Shebi, this Berimanon side they lie about the land, Abi. Don't worry, we shall see. He said they lie about the land. Say them no plan to thief people land, Abi. Oh, so a week today, exactly 1 week today, last Monday, you people did not go to tell those families to come and sign the thing in your camp? You didn't? No. No, Sonkwa. Answer me. No, Sonkwa. Are you seriously? Please, Ndu Munoha. Man, I use this one to know the campus where this Perima no Sonkwa bio. Use this one to know the type of person he is. Those of you from Umunoha, I'm not from Umunoha. Okay? I'm not from Umunoha. But between I, who is saying that they want Umo Promume to come and submit their land to Umo Paranyango people. Now, let me give you two names of the people. Why I have not mentioned these two names before is because I have not heard from those people and I didn't intend to call them, let alone calling their names on social media. But the two people, they called their names as two people from Umo Baranyango that built homes on that land. No, so now, let me give you another information. Gaddafi number 1, Dan Tata number 2. Did these people, 2 people I have, build 2 good, fine houses on that land or not? Ndi umunoha, bear me witness. Let the earth bear me witness. Let people know between I and the Berimanonsonkwa who is lying and who is telling the truth. At least use this one to know. Let me block this also. That this guy has been lying to you people. This is how he sold you the so-called Omoma. Even in his video, he couldn't open his mouth openly and say, the people, they are calling. Oh, I person that even revealed how he used to send you the things you are posting. They are fake Fulani, this thing. True or false? True or false? No, so Google kweni iligi. If you abru mi iligi, iguchage orumbuzi ikpochia. Iwotago igugi nigi. Anumpama saying that they paid me to come to radio. Who paid you to come to radio? Ozu. It that I came to his radio station and you ran away. Because I know you are a coward. I came specifically to disgrace you and expose you as the criminal you are. The good thing is that I have not lied about you. And you said I was an IPOB member, right? Don't worry, you will come and prove it. You will come and prove where I was an IPOB member. And if you bring that their 2 minutes doctored video, the court will knock you extra charges for bringing fake. Not be to show say this thing na court and join. Then the court will knock you another one for bringing a doctored video. You must bring that evidence that I was an IPOB member, let alone eating their money. You must bring that evidence. You Abi, thunder don't fire on ma. You're useless Ashawo mama. Forget how they call some useless women Ashawo. This one, my man, pure now waiting she be. No be return, they go return am from Ogu. In fact, na former policeman. Yes, in fact, na former policeman. This idiot where they see now, where the campaign made they close that tiger base. In fact, na former policeman. Maybe not these police children where they use bribe train. And you know, say the ones where they use bribe train, none of them they useful. Yes, now. Now waiting make them useless like this. I will never tell a lie about you, no sonkwa. Lie about you for what? You already have a dirty character. You are an unscrupulous evidence. Walking evidence of stupidity, criminality, and whatever, what have you. Okay? You say, I no want thief people land. Don't worry, they come home no hana. Na video, na with video I go come. Now with see this one no be noise. Those of una wey say una dey find na father. Wait for me at home. I'm coming. Gather yourselves. Don't run. Only abokwa no so. Only bo so nia. Achokwa me no na mother like this. Oh, tell us. Give. They there. No move. Mother abok. You see that on a camp for Israel. Now, people, we go stream live streaming. I go stream that camp live for now. Yes, now they maybe I get me attack. Okay, it's not today anyway. Umunoha, Jishinike. He said, please, you people should not bring problem to us. So, which problem did they bring to you? Problem where they already? Problem where they already? problem we done there already. Which problem they want bring to you? You have not seen all the people they've been buying, all the houses they've been burning. So now me one bring see all this on nebe. You get who na go the blackmail, you know, be person like me. Now I am willing to match you people anywhere. Which radio station on I want discuss and for this Owerri? Name it. Name the radio station, name the TV station. Then those of on our say on our fight. Wait for me for no ha. Simple. All this on a noise. Me, I know they believe in noise. Oh. I don't believe in noise. I believe in action. You say, on I know one thief people land, Abi. So what you come bring the land matter again? How I take now about the land? Did the Supreme Court rule on that land in 2018 or not? So how somebody, and when you mention my name, you just mentioned Umuduru. Start with Umudim. Umuduru, Amandobana. So then they write because I know one person say, oh, he's and this one where they call Okigwe, waiting concern Okigwe. Waiting concern Okigwe. I dey give you my full details, especially when no they hide. Like to show you, say, they know, but you see, shameless people, you see, as all of them, I don't run now. Go hide. And you as Igbo. Now, these people where they run from one person, me. Now, you want to confide federal government for now. See, now, silence of the government make all these ones, they make noises. This is finish. Now, silence of government, concern. Okay? Now, silence of the government. Now, we want to use our hand solve them. Akunu sinu nuchorogu. Ka ibu kota no nwa na ani Igbo a. Mana promise na emu no bona by ndị foreign onwe onye egwu ga-ekwe disturb nwanne again. Ima too much of peace na-eme people helozo na ogodi. Ebite too much n'udo. Okay, mecha some people ha na-behave a certain way. Mana ifunu mgbe anwụrụ a na-anwụ side a na-anwụ side a. Anwụfọ ndị foreign ndị ga-afụ ka onye ọbụla ga na-anwụ onwe ya anwụ. Okay? Somebody says the politicians that are giving them. I said we now the politicians we even want to start with now. Those of us now we on our parents get the hand for inside this thing. On a go there fatherless, I mean they tell on. Can you go to Pim no Mado? Before you come on social media to speak, enemies may give. Which enemies will give? They tell me you know how I know. Oga, my grandfather used to sell bicycle at that Umunoha market. Oriama Igwe, Oriama no be every 8 days. He trade. Yes, now, even in Amuku Ododo, we don't farm on Oriama Day. Not true or false. You know, say this also, he doesn't even know that I'm very close to him. Mpama. Forgot that my maternal home is in the same local government with him. So don't assume I'm giving out any false information. What I gave you is Doru. Turkish people, they call them Doru. Straight. Straight information. So even the land, then they use them book mass for church. Then they use them the book mass for church. Say God, make he send somebody. We go save them. I am telling you, our movement is prayer answered to more parumume. Cause okay, call anybody we know for more parumume. Ask them whether they lie or not. Okay? Don't take my word for it. Call those of you that are listening to me. If you are from Umbitolu LGA, call anybody you know from Umunoha. Tell them to link you up with anybody for Umo Paromume to know if it's true or not. This Ekpediman Osonkwa knows that nobody will openly come out from Umo Paromume and debunk him because they will go and buy the person. So, why my own big pastor be saying, I pass them, pass their papa. I pass them, pass their papa. I pass them past the papa where papa their papa. You see why he's telling you, I must bring that person. Oh, now the fact will not buy. No, now me one come point the land for you. You and I person. No DNA chim. Are you hearing me? Everybody stay there, they your position. Akwegbe kunu na ebuade ka mburuze egbe nke mbia. Mmụọ bụ egbe nke ma abịa. Akunu chọrọ ka agba egbe. Igbo egbe ọkwa ya na agụ unu. Akwa igbo egbe na agụ unu, don't worry, anyị ga-agba egbe. Onye nwụọ egbochie bịa. Onye egburu sisu obi ya ọkụ. I don't know. See, Gaddafi and Dantata, let me warn you people. Oh, let it be as it is now. Don't assume that you people will go and burn anyone's house in Will you hear me? Don't assume. Say una go burn people's house, on our own house go there. Lie, na me they promise another one. Na me they give another promise. All una go collect like tomorrow no day. Shebi una say una want do action. Make we do action. Make we show Nigeria. Make we show people. Let's demonstrate our skills. Onye obuna wepụtazie skills ya ka afọ bụrụ je ka abịa. Nwanne ọbụrụ iwu dị ọnụ. Ọbụrụ mawu. Donye iru ka ọ wụọ gị. Nsị gị ịdonye iru ọ wụọ gị food. Ina ị ga-afụ na mmụọ anọghọ abụ all governor ka unu na ha ga na-ekwe nnewu 1 pound 10. Ọ bụghị somebody like me. On the police a unu na ha nọcha side. Ka unu na ha ga na-ekwe nnewu 1 pound 10. Akwa propaganda unu a ana m eche unu eche. He said, Ijele, there are better ways to handle this. Can diplomacy work to avoid war? Of course, I'm a diplomatic human being. But a man can intimidate a free man, freeborn. Because ni bwebwe. Ewa ibu kama mambu kogin. You say we don't want to buy ourselves. They're already buying people. Are you okay? Please, those of you that are afraid of these people, some of you that they gave their lands to these guys, like, why would you, any day they invite you to come and discuss land issue inside that there is your camp, just bring the information to me. Come on, with them with the information, go be at least ejigo munka na umu opara omume gosigodu na enwe ihe ndachi. Akwa ọnwụ ka ha chọrọ. Ka wuo na ọbara n'Imo steeti a. Achọrọ m ka ọbara na-ezo ka mmiri n'Imo steeti a. Ya zuo once gbacha. Ya zuo once gbacha once. In fact, diplomacy nwana achọkwughozim. Achọkwughozim diploma akwa ọgụgụ unu sunu ihe na-agụ. For almost 6 years now. For almost 6 years, unu na-egbu ndị mmadụ. In akọrọm diplomacy, for what? Ọmụka ị ga na-agwa okwu diplomacy ka ndị a na-egbu mmadụ. Are you telling me diplomacy ka ndị na-egbu mmadụ? Ruzie nke mmadụ bịazie, a na-agwa gị na unu bịa sign ya out ana. Na-ekwu na nso nkwa na-akọgheri. Na-ekwu ụsụ na-akọgheri. Isi na ụlọ achọghị izu a na ndị mmadụ. This report no good enough is the deputy governor. True or false? The deputy governor is from your town. The deputy governor is from your town. Something there is no single person that doesn't know this. Don't take my word for it. Don't take your son's word for it. Call anybody you know from Umunoha. Bia fraud, bia oshi. Biafra Dundoshi. Chaos of Osirin, Mbana was you obodo, one day the catagonde model individually, not as easy bahobasa, not as easy collectively. They have become a law unto themselves in a civilized society. And then this thing. Don't worry, as for those of you in also, wait for me in Easter. If also, don't worry, let those vehicles you see just for the clearing of those minds. Just Chereno. When it's on a turn, I go there inside also they do video. All those ones, when I say mumu people will not even go school. Please, those of you that are around Osu, go to Osu and check whether there is any amount tank there. Go there and check if there's any amount tank. Something, those things we wanna see around that vehicle. Now to protect against those IEDs, they want just clear all those places. So people will start going back to their farms. People will start going back to their farms. This is what the operation is all about, not be all these things. Now to clear the IEDs. Now waiting una they see. They say they carry a more tank. But who pack a more tank for us? Where you see a more tank? That's in the road graders. Now road graders on a see there. All those metal now to protect all the tires and all these things. And the person driving it. What is the deputy governor doing about the land matter? My dear, the deputy governor they do make them not talk say she hates her people. They don't use blackmail make all these people silence. They don't silence them with blackmail. What you know what made the deputy governor do? Me self follow the antagonize the deputy governor before, but I come later understand. Waiting the shop. Not be say the deputy governor they support them. You know say now all those PDP people will come be ADC now. Shebi this also don't go print campaign poster and say I did them sure they gonna need room bag and make campaign now. You go come explain how I take the IPOB member and their money where you say I chop. Okwagi. I got put on a court to be a kawaya. Ngo. You will explain yourself very well. Me, I know they do police matter. I'm going to hear you come and the police. Now court direct, you go come explain now. Then when you no bring any evidence, I be IPOB member before I chop their money, then you go, they go read waiting the warrant carry. Then go read. I you think say I no go come home now, or you think say you go they use all these people they threaten more. Kina ti threaten with anụmanụ I pencil ndị nga agbara ọsọ. I pencil ka mụ na-agụ kwagodi ya fesi. Ị chọrọ iji egbe eme choose egbe of your choice. Mụ choose my own choice. Ọ gaghị akarị AK nge ọ gaghị akarị AK mmeji mee gị ihe. Ọ karịọ AK. No, ihe m ga-agba gị I pencil gị ka m na-agwa in person na. Ihe m ga-agba gị mgbacha gị nwere mma bere gị isi. Ụmụ ewu mgbacha gị nwere mma bere gị isi. Ịgbakwa n'ọsọ no stay there. Achọkwa m ịnụ na ịgbara ọsọ. I don't want to hear any noise. More story. N'ijikwe me nke ọzọ. Ịma na ọ bụghị ọnụ m ka iji ihe Biafra I confuse. Ọ ndị na-agwa ndị Igbo, remove yourself from anything Biafra and you begin to reason like a human being. Then you begin to see these people for who they are. I'm not a coward that is seeking public sympathy, and if you notice how I talk, I don't care how person take up. So I don't need anybody will go support me. I will just because of that thing they change my mouth. Say, Biafra fi come, na the way with it. You know even day. He didn't day, be say he didn't day. If he didn't day, he didn't day. According to Wiki. Are you understanding me now? So, the kepu wey una dey hear, na umunoha. You know why I mention say na umunoha? Because I no wan make the thing happen finish, then go say, oh, Udele, carry people, come. Then they me, I know they buy innocent people. Oh. That's why I'm giving you the name of the person I'm coming for. In fact, anybody where them shoot, we go comot the bullet for him body, check am, una go see say no be army bullet. Or police bullet, or government bullet. My own, na special bullet I dey use. I'm willing to come before any court and tender my bullet. Oh. To show and say me, I know they do anything secret. I have my own ammunition. You understand? And I get the series. The end user agreement today. Not the agreement, end user document. They. So me, I know they carry illegal weapon. Oh. I know they carry illegal weapon. The ones where I shoot, I go tell you, let me shoot this one and see where I shoot them. See who him be. You dey understand me? So, make on already. Put cameras everywhere in your house. So, make on record the action. Una go need them for court as evidence. Somebody say, what about Gentle? When our Kigwe people ready, then go still see me for Kigwe. Gentle self, no. When our Kigwe people want to tell themselves the truth and decide that they don't need this nonsense anymore, let them come in. Me go come kill your Kigwe. Make we do Umunoha first. You don't understand? Make we do Umunoha first. After Umunoha, then I go check whether our Kigwe people want salvation or not. Me, I know they beg anybody to save them. I won't beg you to save you. When you are ready for salvation, you call me. Tell me, say, now here, Gentle and in boys today. Me, I go there with my own boys, go meet them. Me, I know they do, make I come, they provide security for, no, me go provide security for you. Show me where they are. Me, go there, go finish them. Now, turn by turn, I don't have the resources to run Okigwe and Umunoha at the same time. Okay? And we get stupid population, like say, we get men, we be real men. This thing no reach 1 week to clear now. Ebe kunu baga, ali Igbo way small like this. And not be only these confused boys where they inside bush. We go to clear them, they clear the politician. Dead body go Sarah for this state. Dead body go Sarah. Dead body go surplus. He go so. Now me they tell you. So this one no be una propaganda. When una they do against Tiger Base. This one na Imolite versus Imolite. The fight don't start to. I say it don't set. She better tell una say when he set. Now me and I go do this way. I go start with two. I go first locate to Umunoha first. Then let me see who go do propaganda. Say make the commotors there. Come out and say it. Bia puta kuoya idin do man obuhom. Ikuchaya last 1 month. Mmegbu onwe on live TV. Ikuchaya inamuo. Ikuchaya ka no ni Imo state ya. Enwo. Enuye na agwa gi. Not just na ga wu mebere gi ishi. Akwishi ade mmadụ na ebe ka ngosi otu esi ebe ishi. Nga line isi ndị mmadụ na pool like this. Nna aga na agwa gị ya amechazie ka jewe court. It's a civil war. Yes, it's a civil war. So you no go dey cry this or na cry again. Yes, evidence full there. All those on our camps. We go dig them up now. I be una one use overnight to go dig out all the people where when I buy there. Una go see how many people where they keep for that camp. No go buy the people where na hold for that camp, because now more evidence. You of course I don't say me I go carry camera enter the camp. So no, you no go say, oh, nah, no, we go carry camera, they record everything where we they do. You understand? We go wear body cam to show you, say, we know they hide ourselves. Shebe I tell you, say when you go set, nobody go know. We know they do state matter. I tell you, I say, when you go set, nobody go know. And nothing will be done in secret. The whole Nigeria will use this one to redefine Igbo. And let it be established that we are just trying to save people from these criminals. Makamade saying no be a fraud. Oh, it's because of their undo propaganda and undo blackmail. Me, I don't have any secret life. I'm hiding. Okay? Okay? I don't have any secret life I'm hiding. I know they lead double life. So you don't get what you want to blackmail me. Our cause is right and just. Una go see how many people how many graves where we go dig out. You said they will run before the make them run finish. Oh. At least they are running go tell people say this one's not ready for any fight. Then go no say they're not ready for any fight. Give us their data, finish. She better on us when you go say police go day their day, army go day their day, Air Force go day their day. Now we go solve them. You see us call for donations, say make you not give us money for arms or everything. But all the things done there now. And I never see something. All the things done there. Ona go collect. Umunoha 2026. Agwa munu. Ohuru n'anya manna. Onuru na ntị. Wenite bịa. Wenite bụ ọkpa. Ichekwene ka efu bifi ikwete. Once again, I'm sending message to Ndubisi. Ndubisi, I'm not, of course, no, they go send for front. They hide. After they go, they chop the lion share of the money where then they collect for people hand. Both kidnapping and levy where then they levy people. So, go make your people cry in the BC. Gwakwa your friends who need to go to now. Go I pencil no and abia. Because uno obana no chiruzo, agari yenu. Uno obana no chiruzo, agari yenu. I even love those on a camera so on I put everywhere. I love them. Okay? I love those cameras. At least everybody go see how the action take happen. Please install your own private cameras in Umunoha. You understand? Install your cameras in our action. Victor in a hendaron, a wedding kumedi, noisemakers, a bunch of noisemakers. If you go even down and exchange bullet before. He can't honor these people. That already you know. They are not prepared to buy for what they are doing because they know they are stealing. There is no beer fraud anywhere. Beer fraud we are confused in the name of sense. If not for beer fraud, why would anybody in Umuno take this epidemic on so seriously? More na ask and waiting pursue for boarding school. And they never still leave the character rich now. Many people get rough upbringing, but at a certain age, you go drop all those things. This one never still drop them. He own, they always innovate with age. In own, they always innovate with age. You don't understand me? Actions day. Now quiet we will keep since. If only politicians are, Ozu ha gonna do one after the other. Let me they tell you. Kwado when you bury Alonimo State, you know say they don't they bury innocent people since. Don't worry, now the tree of liberty will be watered by blood of traitors. Are you understanding? Ndoshi. Una aku ogunagun. I say this is intra-Igbo civil war. It has been declared. This is again intra-Igbo civil war. Civil war kind on here. Akunu sununu na abu no ndi mmadụ. Don't worry, can go see notation abu no. Gene unu sunu ihe ọjọọ na gun. Kan go see unu na ebidobeghị ebido. Ka unu marazie na egwu jos bido chana. Akwa egwu a anyị ga-agba ya agba na. A ga-agba dị egwu. Cheno yu na akoheri. Cheno yu na ezuzari since agbara unu nkịtị. Cheno yu na ezuzari. More na call on for na informants for police. Tell them, they go tell you say even them no even know about this operation why they talk. Say a group. Now na go see group now. You know say we never launch our uniform. When I go see na fumu know how na go see or see the uniform. Heavy rain go fall. In order no mu no ajiwe kwaka abagi ebe apo na. Then in order there make sure na aka gị dị ọcha because you don't know the names on the list. Afagidiri there, ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ ihe ọjọọ niile unu na-eme since. I dey tell you, I know blood for blood. You hear me, ba? I know blood for blood. Otu ọbụla unu shicha, enyi unu ya n'eju unu ya afọ, onye gba ọsọ nne ya. Kuru ha na-egbu ndị mmadụ since. Kita ka unu ga-akwụ ụgwọ ihe niile izu ala na gun ndị ara. Blessed them, achọkwa m ifo the comment ebe a. Please, blessed them, achọkwa m ifo the comment here. Let us do it openly. More na go meet Showere Sahara reporters. Call him. In fact, I go call him, tell him, say, make him put ear for ground. Say that non so nkwa. I don't go face him. Non so nkwa. You don't need to send Showere what he will post. You know, say me first, you know. I go tell him. Make I even give him the voice note. Wait now. Make I give him the voice note on air now. Make I give him the voice note. No be name be this a bunch of no be in there. Wait, make I show him. I give him voice note. Hello, good morning, sir. Yeah, please, I want to inform you that all these IPOB ESN criminals, this Nnamdi Kanu's criminals that are killing people, I'm leading an operation in one of their camps in Umunoha this week. So any information you want to get there for accurate journalism, feel free to let me know, sir. This information I'm giving you is a public information. Sorry, of course I didn't show your number, but people are hearing this. Why I'm telling you this is the criminal Nonsonkwa. I'm willing to debate him on that Sahara reporters and give you every evidence that he is one of the group, one of the people that want to sell people's land. So the land thing I'm talking about is not antagonism. I'm not just making it up, pulling it out of thin air. So I just want you to be on alert. Whatever information you need about this operation, let me know and I will give you the right one. Thank you, sir. I don't say that to them. See, make you not think a joke.
Hello, good morning, sir. Please, I want.
So now to try and say we know they hide anything. This is civil war. Okay? This is civil war. It don't start. I just sent this message to Showerena. So because them go they use this nonsense, they said any media house that wants to hear the truth, call me, I go come. Call me, I go come. So no, they buy all this nonsense. Anytime where they do operation, they go say, oh, then they do so. Call me, I go give you all the details. Anybody who say that should come out openly and debate it with me. Of course, I don't know Sonkwa will run. He will not even debate me on Sahara Reporters. They know born and where. He will not debate me on Sahara Reporters. I just sent this thing to Showere. Now Sonkwa call Showere, ask him if he got that voice note or not. Ask him if he got that voice note or not. No, Sonkwa, if you think say na joke, call Showere now. Ask him if I gave him that voice note. Check the time now. This is 7 minutes after 8. That message should be there 8:05 or 8:04. Ask him if he got the message or not. Because, like I said, all these things I don't murmuring. No, me, I hate murmuring. I like be bad, but be proud of it. Be good, be bad, but above all, be honest about it. Be honest about it. If I do, I go tell you, yes, na me do am. If I buy eye pencil, I go tell you, na me buy am. I'm not a politician. I'm not going to run for office any day. Make you they wait for me. If I want to run for office, you go come and antagonize me. No be me and honor. Nothing concern me. So that is why if I they deal with you, one na pegi kosi. Na were gia, na ujuru gia, but mpo igi kam like this, mpo jure gia. You obu no na adaptawa. Ki ya be once. Let innocent people have peace. Nda, so be it. Manune peka. Unememuya. If not, that is will be sign of disrespect. I for just call Egbon Showerena. Put her for speaker, make on her 2 self the year. Now why I just send them the voice note? Make himself know they are aware. Because I don't want anybody to hide under journalism and say, oh, he posted this thing because it's the information he got. No, me, I don't first give you now. Anybody will won't give you information, put me and them for a group call, record and post them outside. Yes. I say I will meet them on Sahara Reporters. Let them come and meet me there. If another TV now they go say, oh, these ones now politicians get them. This now for Showere platform I won't go discuss them with them. Make him come. Onyuoshi. Ekpedima. You say I don't want thief land no sonkwa. Unu ne deny is Chinekem. Una afube here. Oh, now they deny the land where una go thief. Then I'm very right in calling you people shameless cowards now. You are not even proud. Because someone at the whole world mara exactly only we turn on them. Had to go to Biafra from now till next tomorrow. If not, why would they be denying the land they want to steal? Why would they be denying it? They do. See as you they panic for the video where they do. See as you they shake. See, do you know that I can actually sense your trembling? I can actually sense your trembling. You are trembling like this. onye ka ị na-agbade ngụwa na-etina izi ihe unu na Chineke n'ezie nunu ndị mụ na ha bịa tournament mụ na anwụghọ maka this case odogwu ata download this video keep am for me because na this kind one then they go cut odogwu ata please download this full video. How many minutes? Okay, don't even reach for 5. I beg, download them, divide them into 15 minutes. Keep them for me. Is that the other village is not? No, they are all supporting Biafra though. All of them supported it. But now I can't declare them for I. You know this Biafra issue, you people don't understand it. It's a virus that has eaten deep into the membrane. Cellular membrane of Igbo. You understand? So it go dey easy to use and they fool them. Many of them, even as they want to leave their land, they never still wake up for this Biafra. You know why they cannot say Sabo? Because some of our people support Biafra. Yes, now. Now their basket in Ash come out. All of them, they support the thing. But they don't know say these ones want to enslave them with that rubbish. But now you go down declare them for I small. You see all these places where you see their camps now where they support Biafra pass. But when this is over, if you go there mention Bia before you go say Fra, they go bury you alive. Then go bury you alive. At least also people also don't they reduce any day where them ready made them go finish that he took aside and order. Now we are still them. Our attention now no. No, like I said, those of on our force, the more now they go on a business, so no mind anybody. All those vehicles now to clear those mines. Okay? All those vehicles now to clear those mines and nothing more. Those IEDs. Now they want to use and clear. And that will no be a mod car. No be a mod tank. No be a mod tank. Who go carry a mod tank go drop them for somewhere like that? Who go carry a mod tank go drop? Ha ona no even bingo. So if you see a mod tank, you know. Those things where you see where they raise up like this for that thing. Now to avoid all those shrapnels where they fly. Most of the people where they drive that equipment no go gree come. If you know put all those protection. Okay, you now if they say make you go clear IED without cover, you go gree go. You go gree go. The one where they call himself cash, go they tell on and say fire in Udele Valley. Please, those of on from also on here even knock out for Udele Valley. On here knock out for Udele Valley. Just they put like what does he gain from putting panic in the minds of their people? Can you panic in the mother? Spreading news. And why I'm giving you see how we do our own thing. Before we go, I tell you, say, they come so place. And why I'm telling you, because I don't want I pencil to say I did not tell him. Okay? I don't want I pencil to come and say I did not tell him. And why I'm giving the announcement is for people to be ready. No be when you see us now, you go they run. That run, when they run, they make these people, they mix up inside the general population. That's why they want you people to be running so they will not know who is a ESN and who is a civilian. Please, my people, stay in your home. If you hear a knock on the door, open your door. Open your door. Don't try to act hostile. You know, say a person carry gun. You go there over high alert. Any fast movement, anyhow, you go collect them. Don't. Those of honor, when no get mind, pack your bags and leave. Pack your bags and leave. Elderly people, just stay in your house. Nobody is touching you. Stay in your house. All the youths from Umunoha, pack your bag and leave. Pack your boogie, pour from Shinu Umunoha wafu. Don't say I did not want you. Shinu Umunoha wafu. Cut this side now. If I came cut to go do side in car. So I will give it to, I will set it as a reminder when time comes. Okay? Pack your boogie wafu. In anuye na wagina. Pack your bag and run. Those lawyers, where they help them, they fix their document. Alandini unu wecharaga issue. Na me they tell on. Alandini unu zuru. Oga issue unu. Ota issue unu ni onwe mnando. Akunu ye na wunu. But Cash didn't say there is fire in Udele Valley. He only said that the solution to destroy that place is by using. It's not true. Go and check what he posted. Go and check the post he made. He didn't even know that while he was speaking with one of his brothers on the phone. I was there. I was seated near him. Tomorrow night, he go say, will they use and sit down? See who I go use sit down. Eh? See who I go use sit down. Even when they were asking him, why are you posting this thing? Because you are causing panic. We are asking people to return to us. So now you are posting such a thing. Is it to bring people back or to pursue them? This is a town we are trying to repopulate again. Many people from that place, they from Newi. Some day Ukbo. Imagine how terrible it is that even Ukbo is now very safe for people. So why would he be saying such a thing to scare people away? Why are you scaring people? Why are you scaring people? Also, people, go your business, at least this morning. Please, those of you in Osu, I want you to do live video and show them how Osu is this morning. Make a live video and show them how peaceful Osu is. Motorway then they use a clear IED. When I say now more tank. Yeah? Mazi Mayor, okay, please call that person you say you know in Umunoha. And if he didn't explain this thing to you, know that he himself is a part of the nonsense. Call any non-bingo you don't know, sorry. Call any non-bingo you know. And watch if they will confirm what I said or not. Call any bingo you know. See how they will confirm the information for you. I dey tell you, call any non-bingo from Umunoha, and if he said I'm lying over that land, I will delete all of my pages. I will delete all of my pages and stop speaking publicly. I'm going to make the Berimanosonkwa this day. If they wait, let me block one or let me block one idiot. If you ask and this land matter is not true, I will delete all of my pages. In fact, everybody unfollow this page. If you see, like I told you once, you people yesterday, last night, I said by morning, if you go to Osu and see one knockout, or you see one armored tank, where no be construction tools, where they put iron to protect the person where they drive them, unfollow this page. Umunoha is in Mbitolu LGA, Imo State, from this place where they now. Hope Uzodinma build the road very fine. In fact, the other time where I go my maternal home, I missed that of Ekata Junction. I don't even know when I pass of Ekata Junction. So within 7 minutes, you don't reach Umunoha Junction. From this Amakohe Road. Within 7 minutes, you don't reach Umunoha Junction. Go check them. If you ask anybody from Umunoha and they say this land matter I'm talking about is false, please, all of you unfollow this page. Unfollow this page. And never take anything I'm saying seriously. If that land matter no be true, just disregard everything I've said about IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu. Because why do I need to make up things about these people? The atrocities where they commit too much that you don't need to make anything up. They are evil many. Why you go make things up when the original one self they was? It hasn't, like the evil way then they commit. You know even if you make an up self. Umutobo. Na kohiri. Ndoshi. Ask people from Umunoha. Ask people from Umunoha. May them tell you the whole truth. Those of you who are name, they might register. Don't worry, I will come for now. Thank you so much, my people. I love you all. Between now and Friday, when I go here and from Umunoha. Those of you from now till Friday, enwe Bob ni Igbo eje, gbara ya na eje now. Gbara ya na eje. And mbi umuno omu aga decide is mgbe nna na mi go decide for ori ama mmebi no ori ama. Mmebi no ori ama. Oho. Thank you, Igbo Abuchi. So my wonderful people, I love you all and stay blessed.